So the first idiom would be in the doghouse. In the doghouse, we can use when two people are together, like in relationship, and one person is upset from another person. For example, as he forgot his girlfriend's birthday, so she is in the doghouse, which means she is too upset with him. The second one would be at the 11th hour. So at the 11th hour, we can use for last moment. For example, I reached at station at the 11th hour, which means I reached at the last moment. The third one would be once in a blue moon. So once in a blue moon, we can use for very rare situation. For example, I meet my friend rarely. So I meet my friend once in a blue moon, which means I meet him very rare. The fourth one would be grin and bear it. So grin and bear it, we can use for a situation where you are carrying pain without complaint, which means you are hurt from inside, but outer side you are showing that I'm fine. The fifth one would be spill the beans. So spill the beans we can use when you are revealing your secret and when someone revealing your secret. For example, my friend spilled the beans in front of my another friends or other friends, which means he revealed your secret in front of other friends.